Hey guys, just wanted to say I appreciate all the likes, follows. I've been trying to hit everybody back, all the like, follow, shares. Really appreciate it. Hey guys, I downloaded Noise a couple of months ago. Actually, it was last year in November, but a couple of months ago, I started taking it real serious and posting at least 3 to 5 videos a day. In doing so, I finally went semi-viral. I went, pretty viral with one of my videos. I think it's around 23,000, over 23,000 views. On that video alone, for those of you that are naysayers out there, I've made literally, I think, around $75 on that video alone. So it is possible, but you have to follow definitely what the video requirements are. So when you click on the brand that you want to post for, and it gives you instructions about how long your video should be, you definitely want to take notice of that. I do notice that a lot of people are just posting like 15-second videos. Some people are posting like 10-second videos. But if it says on there to try to only post around between 4 and 6 seconds, definitely do that, because I'm figured out finally that the TikTok algorithm is picking up on how long your videos are. It seems like the algorithm really likes short content, and you're going to have a higher chance of going viral if you will pay attention to that. So take your time and create some sort of B-roll footage, whether it be you doing dishes or taking out the trash in the garden, doing lawn care, whatever it would be. Make it around between, I would say, 5 to 7 seconds, somewhere in that range. Now, if the video description tells you like 4 seconds or 6 seconds, be mindful of that. But definitely pay attention to that, because it seems like the TikTok algorithm is more than likely going to help you go viral with that. On that particular post, I think it was a 5-second video, and it just kept going and going. Another tip I want to give you is respond as quickly as you can to every comment. Every comment. Don't just like it, respond to it. You have to. TikTok likes that. It likes the engagement, and you're going to have a better chance of getting more and more comments on. They're going to push it out further and help you go viral. I hope this helps y'all. Take care.